Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics Infinity Goals. This question is from SET examination. So question is, consider the LP problem, that is maximize z is equal to 4x1 plus 2x2 subject to the constraints minus x1 minus x2 which is less than or equal to minus 3 and minus x1 plus x2 which is greater than or equal to minus 2 and x1 x2 is greater than or equal to 0. Then the dual of the above LP problem is minimize w is equal to py1 plus qy2 subject to the constraints ry1 plus sy2 which is greater than or equal to 4 and minus y1 minus y2 which is greater than or equal to 2 and y1 y2 which is greater than or equal to 0, where the values of PQRS are question mark. Then we have a 4 options. This question is basically from LPP topic, that is linear programming problem. Before we start the solution, firstly we have to consider given primal problem. Here we have an objective function is of a maximization type, that is z is equal to 4x1 plus 2x2 which is subject to the condition, that is subject to the constraint. First constraint is minus x1 minus x2 which is less than or equal to minus 3 and second constraint is minus x1 plus x2 which is greater than or equal to minus 2 and we have a two non-negative condition, that is x1 x2 is greater than or equal to 0. Now we just multiply minus 1 on the second constraint, then objective function, that is z is equal to 4x1 plus 2x2. Similarly, first constraint will be remains as it is, that is minus x1 minus x2 which is less than or equal to minus 3. After multiplying minus 1 on both sides, then second constraint will be x1 minus x2 which is less than or equal to 2 and we have a two non-negative condition, that is x1 x2 which is greater than or equal to 0. We denote this primal as a equation number 1. Given question, we have a dual of equation number 1, that is this objective function will be minimization type such that w is equal to py1 plus qy2 and subject to the constraint. First constraint is ry1 plus sy2 is greater than or equal to 4. Similarly, second constraint is minus y1 minus y2 is greater than or equal to 2 and it's a non-negative condition, that is y1 y2 is greater than or equal to 0. In this question, we only have to find the value of P, Q and R and S. For that purpose, firstly we have to consider standard primal LPP and corresponding dual LPP. So firstly we can consider objective function is of type maximization, that is z equal to c1x1 plus c2x2 plus 1 plus cnxn subject to the constraint. First constraint is a11x1 plus a12x2 plus 1 plus a1nxn is less than or equal to b1. Second constraint is a21x1 plus a22x2 plus 1 plus a2nxn which is less than or equal to b2 and so on. an1x1 plus an2x2 plus 1 plus annxn which is less than or equal to bn. It's a non-negative condition, that is x1 x2 and so on xn is greater than or equal to 0. Then its corresponding dual will be if it is a maximization objective type, then it will convert it into minimization. Step is we have placed b1 b2 so on bn in objective function. So about information, that is from equation number 1 we have a primal problem, that is its objective function is maximization type, that is z is equal to 4x1 plus 2x2. To the constraint, first constraint is minus x1 minus x2 is less than or equal to minus 3 and second constraint is x1 minus x2 is less than or equal to 2 and it's a non-negative condition is x1 x2 is greater than or equal to 0. How to find its a dual of this LPP with the help of these two charts. Now first step is convert this maximization problem into minimization type, that is minimization. Second, z is replaced by which term, that is w. So w is equal to, observe this chart, that is to find its objective function we have a coefficient b1 b2 so on bn. Now check primal LPP. Here we have a b1 b2 so on bn. This question we have a b1 as a minus 3 and b2 as a 2. So minus 3 and 2. We have a non-negative variable, that is y1 and y2, then place y1 and y2 and plus 2, that is we have obtained w is equal to objective function minus 3y1 plus 2y2. Now to find the value of this constraint, firstly we have to consider this first constraint. Take its transpose of this coefficient, that is minus 1 minus 1, its a transpose will be minus 1 minus 1. Similarly, consider second constraint, that is 1 minus 1, take its transpose, that is 1 minus 1. Again we have a two variable, that is y1 y2, so place here minus 1 into y1 into y2 minus 1 into y1 into y2. So we can write it as, observe this condition, if we have a less than or equal to sign in primal LPP, then its a dual LPP will be greater than or equal to sign. Here we in primal LPP we have a less than or equal to sign, then convert it into greater than or equal to sign. How to find the value of C1, C2 and Cn can be obtained from objective function of a primal LPP. Here we have C1 as a 4 and C2 as a 2. Then put here 4, this is our 2, and non-negative condition, that is y1 comma y2 is greater than or equal to 0. Now compare this with the given question, that is here we have a p is equal to how much, minus 3, q is equal to how much, 2, r is equal to how much, minus 1, s is equal to how much, 1. So now check in the option number 4 is true. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.